Hi, are you experiencing issues with your HMI or other industrial display system? Perhaps you're facing a display that's not responsive, keypads that don't work, a screen that keeps freezing, no power at all, a blank screen, or even a cracked screen. These problems can bring your operations to a standstill. Introducing Flexa Systems as the solution. At Flexa Systems, we understand these frustrations, and we're here to help you get your HMI back up and running quickly and with the highest quality. We are a component-level repair company specializing in all kinds of HMI repairs. No matter the brand, whether it's obsolete or highly specific, we can fix it. We back our expertise with solid 2-year warranty and a no-fix, no-fee policy, guaranteeing your satisfaction and a successful result. Call now at 254-254-0005.